In this video, I will show you how to set up a crop production budget. All of the costs per acres are averages from custom farmers' operations. First, we see that disking is done twice in the crop season. Each time is $12 an acre, so the totals to $24 an acre to disc beans and corn separately. Then we put in planting, which is $15. We spray twice in beans and corn to total $16 an acre for each. The fungicide insecticide costs $28 an acre. Herbicide is $625 an acre. Seed cost for beans is $60 and $122 for corn. Harvest costs differ from $30 in beans to $35 in corn. The yields are set at 35 bushels an acre for beans and 122 for corn because that is the lowest amount before insurance kicks in. You can see that the insurance costs are $24 for beans and $50 for corn. The drying costs for both use the yield multiplied by 50% an acre to get total drying costs. The fertilizer costs include nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which come together in a bundle that costs $90 an acre for corn and beans separately. Now with all the input costs for the budget known, we can calculate cost per acre. Do this by using the sum function for the total column, which is E4 through E18. Then that'll get you 310.75. Then we can use the same function for corn, except this one will be K3 through K18. With that known, we must calculate the income per acre, which is done by taking our lowest guaranteed yield and price that we can get from the insurance. Multiplying these two will get us the gross income per acre. Then subtracting the income per acre and cost per acre will give us our net income per acre, which we can see here is $56.75 for beans and $25.25 for corn. After we find our net income, we can adjust to budget to whatever the amount of acres an operation uses. For this example, I'll use 59 acres of each. The total profit of beans is calculated by multiplying income per acre by number of acres. Then the same to find out the income for corn, which would be 2525 times 59 acres. Then we simply add those together to get our total income, and then we must find our total expenses. To do this, we calculate our expense per acre of beans by number of acres of beans, and adding that to the expenses of the corn acres. Once we have both of those, we can subtract the total income and total expenses to get our total profit or loss on the operation. For this example, this operation had a profit of $4,838.